9 munud o'r gêm di chwarae. Mae'n di sgor a Dave Edwards sydd dros y gic i'r Bala. Edwards yn eich man i hi'n isel. A'r ergyd gyntaf yn nod yn y gêm hon yn dod i gyn chwarae rhyngwladol Cymru, ond oedd hi'n gyfforddus i lang. Davies, Craven. O, pas hyfryd o'r gornel. Snor Madarni. Cybongo yn ei chyrraedd i Jones i mewn amdani. Evans yn camreoli yn tynnu nôl a Chubb. A'r ergyd yn cael ei gwiro gan Nathan Pete. 20 munud yr ail hanner di chwarae. Evans yn fer i Cybongo. Ond yn syniad da. Mae dal yno i Harry Owen. Evans, ail gasglu, ail ddechrau. I mewn yn isel. Emlyn Lewis. Ond mae hwnna di taro Nathan Pete. A mae'r dyfarnwr yn pwyntio at y smotyn. Dim amheuaeth y meddwl, Mr Ryan Kenny. Oedd y dwylo yn uchel, mae'n gic o'r smotyn i'r Met. Evans yn erbyn Ramsey. Elliot Evans. Mae'n cael ei harbed, ond mae'n mynd i gael ei chymryd eto. Oedd Nathan Pete ymhell i mewn i'r cwrt. Mae Ramsey cael cerdyn melyn i fy protestiadau. Mae'n bosib bod ei oddi ar un hefyd. Ond gwyliwch Nathan Pete. Dim amheuaeth dyle honna i gael ei chymryd eto. Nawr te, yw Evans yn mynd i fynd yr un ffordd neu'r ffordd wahanol. Evans yr un ffordd, a mae gefn y rhwyd nawr. Mae Met ar y blaen yn erbyn y Bala, mae yna 20 munud ar ôl. Wel, dwi'n meddwl oedd Ramsey oedd yr linell eto, ond yna ddim amddiffynwr yn y cwrt y tro yma. Arsan. Pete i fyny amdani, ond Lewis yn gry. Newell. Mae yna gymorth. Y croesiad gan Southern, at y postyn pella, Wall yno! Lang yn arbed, a rhai crysau'r Bala yn hawlio bod wedi croesi'r llinell. Dwi ddim yn meddwl nath hi, ond dyna'r agosam yr ymwelwyr wedi dod. Wall yn brwydro amdani gyda Craven. O, Chris Venables i mewn. Mae hwnna'n dacl fler. Mae'n dacl baryglis, mae'n gerdyn coch i Chris Venables, a mae'n cicio'r bel i ffwrdd hefyd. Y Bala yn colli capten, oedd hi'n dacl wael yn heiddi'r cerdyn coch. A'r ymwelwyr yn gofod gorffen y gêm a gyda 10-1.
Wedon ni hanner amser, mae rhaid i ni parhau gyda'r brwydr yna, ond jyst bach fwy o composure pan mae'r bel yn cwmpo yn lle bwrdd y bel i ffwrdd a cael ei fel basketball match fel petai, a wario bach fwy o bel drod. A oedd y tempo o'n i'n ffindo slots yn yr sort of ar y hanner ffordd ac yn waed hefyd. So, gyda ni cwpl o gyfleoedd i roi'r gêm i'r gwely fel nhw'n gweud, ond hapus iawn gyda un dim.
I said to the lads at half-time, the only way they'll score is by a mistake from us, and then obviously Nathan's gone for a stupid challenge on the edge of the box with his hand up. Emlyn's never going to score from there with his back to goal. And then from that moment then the referee decides that somebody's in the box. I got booked. I asked him why he's made Elliot retake it, and he said number 4 was in the box, and I said only just number 4. Be interesting to see just if there's only one player. But regardless if there's players in the box, it's still got to be retaken as well. But you know, how many referees at this level or at any level make a team retake the penalty? And you know, it's a great save, and it'd be interesting to see the averages of how many times it's done. But that referee's decided that he needed, because he missed maybe, he needed to retake it, and then obviously they've scored.
It must be nerve-wracking having to retake a penalty. What goes through your mind then?
Yeah, I had something similar with the cup final last year against Connors Keys when it came back around to me. So yeah, I've been in that situation before. Obviously, it was a good save from Alex from the first one, and I was a bit disappointed. But obviously, I didn't see what happened behind me, and you know, I was lucky that it came back around. You know, he's gone slightly early the next time, so I just went the same side, and yeah, I was happy. Obviously, it went in.
We lack a lot of discipline. Lack a bit of discipline. Chris can't do what he's done. Silly foul. And then, you know, we get frustrated with refs, like we have done a lot this season, because we've got to be able to deal with horrendous decisions that refs make. And we've got to focus, but we can't be in lack discipline like we have there. But I still think that we could have won it with chances late on, goal scoring scrambles at their end. But once we go down to 10 minutes, it's difficult.